fuel gauge holding its place. Mud dried up on the place.